This isn't straight. Like you. Sorry.
Wait, hold that. It's Kasi Bombasi.
Hi. Okay, ignore my forehead. We're gonna do some makeup today. If I was a reindeer, okay, don't get scared by the color. I promise you, it will oxidize and it will make sense on my skin. Doing a reindeer look, but I also have to go out today. So do I own it and keep the look on? I wanted to do something festive though. That's why I want to do the look, and then after we do the look, then we get to cook and do some fun things. I really like the fact that you lot are saying happy Casa. Makes me happy. Thank you. I love Just Dance as well. Okay, so at the moment, because of the we're going for like a reddish bronzer look. Just using this NYX bronzer, which is a bit red. When I first tried this, I was very against it. I was like, yuck. And then now I'm obsessed with it and I use it all the time. So look at me, a clown. Also, you lot, please. Okay, I'm dead serious. And I need to get the clips before it goes because I know that you lot won't believe me. But I played Marvel Rivals. Yes, me. Now's not the time for trouble. Sorry. Do you lot want me to walk you through what I'm doing? You know what I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to do exaggerated brows. Maybe it's you lot that's a problem. Today, do you know what? We're just having a festive stream. This is our Christmas stream. Okay, so we're going to do this like a line here. Do you get what I mean? Like, I need you to find the lyrics of it. Okay, so what is this? We're using the Highland High Blush for our little nose adventure. Yes. So I'm going to use that to complement what I've done. Maybe I need a bigger brush. I'm actually using a Charlotte Tilbury end of year party, which was basically a stream. It might be starting soon actually. I'm so sad because we did a really cute stream on Monday, and I realised how much we've done. We might not have enough time, but I really want to do a community Mario Party all overcooked. I'm gonna go for something a bit whiter. This is an Urban Decay palette that I bought 2 off and my ex stole and I think gave to his girlfriend. And I can never get it back again because it was a special edition one. I might put a little bit of that on here because I kind of like how it looks. Thanks for watching me, John. Thanks for watching me, John. Do you know what I haven't really heard anyone talking about, and I'm surprised because it looked like I'm a big fan, is Fable. But is that because we don't know when that's coming out? Is that why? Yeah, I'm trying to do a reindeer nose now. I got this palette and I haven't used any of it, but there's a black in there, so I hope that it comes out nice. Okay, we're gonna have to do this, fix this a bit because I look a little bit like Brown Hitler. So I'm gonna take it up a bit here. It's coming together. Putting the nose there helps. Oh, you got any of that black stuff? Oh, oh, oh. I have a great time with myself. This is my descent into madness. I'm using the NYX eye pencil, the jumbo eye pencil for my dots. Ew, David. If you lot want to feel good, if you want to feel like you want to get your cockles rubbed, hot Ribena is the thing for you, personally, I think. Right, we're setting this. We want to set it so it looks bright, but not set it so we look dry and crusty. Hot Vimto is not bad. I don't like Vimto because I think it tastes like if you swiggled Ribena in your mouth and then you spat it out. Twiglets were. We were gonna decide whether we would eat a Pokemon or smash the Pokemon. I like Vixen. Or something. So like, people even look like that hot guy from Rebel Ridge. He looks like a lion. I thought it was so funny they put him in the Mufasa thing. Or, and they'd be like, yo, fatty. Like, that's my full name. Every time I'd be like, hey guys, yeah, it's me. Like, do you know the strength in your heart that you need to have Jamaican friends and family? To go into a place, if your leg is broken, they're calling you Brutfoot. And that's your name forever. Even if your leg got fixed, that's all you're known as. So I thought like that was the vibe with Scar, isn't it? I'm making this a bit whiter. All of this food. Love whoever you want to please there. They gotta fuck there. They gotta make love. First of all. Second of all, it doesn't seem like very biblical language. Well, we're not living in very biblical times, are we? You don't see entire. Check your tone when you talk to me. I don't like how you're saying green. Babies being taken from their homes and slaughtered en masse, do you? I mean, fix this. What kind of lashes should we do for the eyes? This isn't straight. Like you. Sorry. Do you think this isn't straight, is it? Was it on Tuesday? Oh my god, my eye's itching. Please don't itch now. Ugh. Sorry, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna do a bit more of a heart, because this is a bit too pretty. We want to make it look a bit more deary. Sometimes I get too like to make the look too pretty when we don't want to do that. We want to make it look more exaggerated. You can't be afraid, you know. Sometimes you just have to put that white all over you. Sometimes you're just begging for that white all over your face. In a non-provocative way, please. This is a respectful stream. You see the visual? Oh, yes! Do you like this? That looks so much better. That looks so much more deary. Do you know what I mean? Now do I put the bullet in the... I feel like maybe no. It came out nice, right? Let's put the lashes in. And now we will shapeshift. If the men find out we can shapeshift, I love it. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with the way that this has come out. Thanks. That was my victory dance.